Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and this is what I say about food. And this is what I say about Great Lakes Brewery Pompous Ass English Ale. Now it's Super Bowl here, we're tailgating, and I thought that we would try something new. So let me pour this out. This looks like a beautiful amber type ale. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? It's nice and cold. You're supposed to serve it nice and cold. It even says on here what temperature, 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. There you go. So I thought this was funny just because it was called Pompous Ass English Ale, and I wanted to try it just because of that. It has a snooty Brit on it. Look at that, with the nose turned up. And let's try this. This is Great Lakes Brewery. It's out of Toronto, and that's here local to us. That's tasty. No wonder they're so pompous. Mom says, no wonder they're such pompous asses. That's delicious. That has kind of a complexity of flavor. It's a little bit caramely. It has that nice bitter flavor that you're looking for in a beer. It's quite smooth though. It goes down nicely. It has something just a little bit sweet and almost, I don't even know, citrusy or something. A little bit tangy and sweet in there. I love that. That's one of the nicest craft beers I've had in a while, to be honest. It's a handcrafted beer, and that's what it looks like. And you can check them out online at greatlakesbeer.com. Make sure you check out our category on our website for beer and our playlist for beer and recipes and reviews. This is beautiful. I like this. I would definitely buy this again, and I would buy this in more quantity. I just bought a couple cans of this. You can do it like that. I'm sure they probably have it in glass bottles as well, but all I saw was this, and I just thought that would be fun. And we might even make a couple twist shandies today with this ale, but you know what, it's so nice on its own. I would hate to waste it. That is delicious. It is nice, really cold. So the ingredients are very simple: water, malted barley, flaked oats, hops, and yeast. And apparently this was supposed to be their version of an English pale ale. They use an American ale yeast. They brighten up the flavor and use their own contemporary blend of hops to ensure that even the most pompous ale drinker does a double take. Well, I'll tell you what, I am kind of snooty when it comes to especially Canadian beer, and that definitely deserves a double take. It's nicer than the other big, name brands that you would be drinking that are Canadian, that are kind of like, I don't know, watered down. I love the craft beers. They give you a little bit something different every time. That is tasty. And I wouldn't even say that's a pale ale. That's a nice, almost like a caramel ale, amber ale. I love that. It almost has a perfumey, citrusy or something. I don't even know what it is, but it's really tasty. The aftertaste is beautiful. So what do you think, Mom?
Oh, I think it's absolutely wonderful. I love the tanginess that hits you after you swallow.
Right. It's a little bit tangy, and it really is. It has a wonderful after flavor. It's really complex. Beautiful. And it has a beautiful fragrance. This beer is going to go perfectly with our pulled pork today. I'm making a barbecue pulled pork leg Rogan Josh on the grill. It's going to be fantastic. And you could even add some of that to the tray underneath for a little bit of steam with the beer. But I would hate to waste it. It's a really stellar beer, honestly. I like that. It has the fragrance of beer that you want, but in a very pompous way. That's a great name for it. It's the perfect name for it, in fact. So make sure you check out Great Lakes Brewery Pompous Ass English Ale. I think you'll like it too. That's fantastic. The women will like it for sure, and I think the men, they'll be like, that's a tasty beer. That's fantastic. Look for it in your stores. That's it. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. Check out my instagram.com/webchef of all trades. You can find shows on youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly, and come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com. Interact with us and subscribe and let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen. and eat deliciously. Bye.